Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials and taking immediate action. First, make sure your device has direct internet access. Captive portals or VPNs can block requests. Next, grant the app its network and background permissions so it can send traffic. Then reproduce the failing request while collecting app logs and noting exact timestamps and endpoints. This gives the concrete data you need. Once done, export the logs and prepare to inspect request flow. These steps let you move into detailed diagnosis without guessing. Now you inspect the request flow end-to-end to find where it fails. Route the app through a proxy or capture packets so you can see DNS resolution, TCP/TLS handshakes, and HTTP status codes. This shows whether the network or the server rejects the data. Compare a successful request to the failing one. Look at headers, auth tokens, payload size, and retry logic. Make sure you understand timing and rate limits because intermittent failures often come from retries or expired credentials. Once identified, plan a targeted fix. You apply the single corrective action that addresses the root cause and then verify thoroughly. Fix the exact issue you found, update DNS settings, trust the correct TLS certificate, correct headers or authentication flow, or implement exponential backoff for retries, and rerun the captured request to confirm a successful response. After that, execute automated tests and review server logs to ensure acceptance. If it still fails, enable verbose client logs, reset credentials, and test on a clean device or network. That one troubleshooting tip often exposes hidden blockers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.